talk weather,
Yes.
because our Thanksgiving forecast has changed, right?
Yes, it's looking cooler, it's looking wetter, and that rain looking to stick around for a longer period of time. So one of those days where if you had plans to maybe make your turkey outside, something to consider is planning it out to where you are in between some of the breaks of rain. Okay, so it's not going to be a complete washout, and we'll get to that. But first, I want to show you what it looks like outside right now. If you're headed to the airport, if you're headed out and traveling, you should not have any weather-related issues, at least not in North Texas today. 53 degrees right now. We're seeing that cloud cover already clearing across the area. We may see some added cloud cover move back late in the day. So the planner today, it looks like this. We make it to 58 degrees around 1, 60 degrees around 3, 57 degrees around 5. We'll notice the cloud cover breaking up a little bit more. That's what's going to allow us to reach 60. South winds 5 to 10, really light all day, so no weather worries today. If you have any last minute errands to run, today is going to be that kind of day. A few locations do make it to that 60-degree mark, especially if you're west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Rain coverage goes up tomorrow to about 40%. This is when we see more cloud cover. This is when we see some drizzle really through the day. 70% coverage Wednesday night, 60% coverage Thursday. That lingers into Friday with 40% coverage, 20% coverage on Saturday. We're going to notice that this is going to be an event that lasts a little bit longer. And it's because of this. This area of low pressure, it's what we call a cutoff low, cuts itself off from the main jet stream to the north. It's going to dip more south than what originally thought, and it's going to slow down quite a bit. Both of those things are the reasons why we see added rain coverage and why it's lasting a bit longer. So it's going to look like this as this area of low pressure moves to the north and east. We see some wraparound moisture. Looking at Wednesday here, I'm going to show you a wide view of the rain. That way, in case you're traveling, you have a good idea of what you can expect. So we're looking at cloud cover here. We're looking at a few areas of spotty rain through the day on Wednesday. And we'll notice that rain coverage goes up Wednesday night into Thursday. Look at this. This is now Thursday morning. You have this long line of showers, maybe a few isolated thunderstorms embedded within that. I'm not expecting severe weather early on or really any part of the day. This will continue to progress towards the east. So if you are east of I-35, you're going to be running into rain more often than not through the day Thursday. This is now midday. You can still see that rain, moderate to heavy at times across Dallas-Fort Worth and towards the south and east if you're headed in that direction. Drier across West Texas and in the Panhandle. Notice this, the rain stays with us. This is now 5 in the afternoon on Thursday. I'm going to fast forward here. I'm going to add in that area of low pressure so you can see how it's moving. It moves to the north and east, but slowly. This is now Friday around 10. You can see that rain kind of just lingers all day. Some wraparound moisture across the Panhandle. Could be some winter mix in there on Friday, and then we're going to see this kind of taper off on Saturday morning. 60 degrees, about 60% coverage of rain, and we'll notice the winds out of the north on Thursday afternoon. 1 to 2 inches of rain will be possible. This will be from Wednesday through Saturday morning. Higher totals closer to the 3-inch range if you're in East Texas or really anywhere in Louisiana. We're looking at temperatures staying in the mid-50s Friday, Saturday, 60s with sunshine to end the week and begin next week. We'll be back.